100% vegan. Hey, what's up? It's your girl, Braddy Brittany. Welcome back to my channel. It has been quite a while since I posted a video, and that is because I had a baby and started working and had, you know, a quarter life crisis. But here I am, I'm back. But I am looking for Aunt Jackie's Curl La La and the Quench Conditioner. I am excited because I just found out about these products, of course. So we are heading to Walgreens and then Walmart and then H-E-B. Those are our last 3 stores. And we will see what we find. But yeah, so come with us on this journey. To the Walgreens, did not have any curly hair products that I wanted. I did see one that I think would be really cool for Peyton. It was the Marshmallow Root and Blueberries Shea Moisture line, the Detangler and Leave-In Conditioner. And we are at the 4th Walmart today. Curl La La Defining Tester, which is what I was looking for. And I'm just grabbing a virgin coconut oil rehydration treatment mask because this can't. I will check in on you guys after I get some food because I'm hangry right now. Hey guys, okay, so I'm back home. I have my products here. Going to use the Shea Moisture 100% virgin coconut oil rehydration treatment mask with coconut milk and acai Senegal on my hair. I'm gonna leave that in for however long it takes me to take a nap. Okay. So usually how I apply the masks, because my hair is getting longer and harder to manage, is I separate it into 4 sections. 2 on each side. Hey. Gonna be on a little bit more than that. Last section. I really try and focus it more on the ends, and then I kind of work my way up. The products that I'm putting into my hair, and I'm mostly sticking to what I know. Okay, so now that my hair is fully saturated, I still have a little bit more of the mask left. So I am going to use the rest of that on the top section of my hair, but I'm going to put it on this top section of my hair right here because that's where the sun beats down on it the most, which is, believe it or not, heat damage. Now I'm going to put my hair up in a bun, but I'm just going to stick this in a bun, wrap a plastic bag around it once I go grab one. I don't know if y'all like or watch Riverdale, but if you don't, you need to go check it out. It's an amazing show. Shout out to Hot Topic for this hoodie. It says the town with pep, and it's got welcome to Riverdale right there. I think hashtag not sponsored by Walmart. Okay. I'm gonna tie this around like so. So I'm just going to wrap the towel like this. I'm probably going to put my bonnet on top of this just to make sure it doesn't slide anywhere. And if that doesn't work, you can also use a beanie. I will see you guys when I wake up from my nap. Rose water spray. Okay, I will see you guys later. 2.5 hours. Shout out to Walmart, first of all. This is naturally refined organic coconut oil. So this was $10. Then I'm going to be using Cantu Shea Butter's leave-in conditioning repair cream as a leave-in, and then I'm using Aunt Jackie's Curl La La as my styling product, and I'm using my Devacurl One conditioner to rinse my hair out. And I don't know if y'all want to see this, but I'm wearing a white shirt and nothing underneath it, so I'm just gonna I'm back, just got out the shower, used a t-shirt to dry my hair, and now I'm trying to figure out if applying the leave-in conditioner on like really wet hair, not necessarily sopping wet, but just wet hair, yields a different result as opposed to me waiting for it to dry just a little bit. I can already tell that my curl pattern looks way better than it did before I started this process. So, I know that my dry areas are always right here in the front because I don't want them to look crunchy. I want them to look, you know, wet, moisturized. I am finger combing that through my hair, and this is the Cantu leave-in conditioner and repair cream. Moving that to the side. Now this is a learning process, y'all. I have never used this product before, and there is vegetation inside of it. That's interesting. Oh, I thought it was gonna be a little bit thicker. It's a very creamy texture, so I'm just gonna apply that, separate my hair into 4 sections like I did for the hair mask, and I'm just going to apply that liberally over the sections. Finger combing that in as well, scrunching in towards the ends. It smells really good. It smells clean. Okay. Last section. This is a pretty big jar. So I am scrunching that in. And then I'm just gonna smooth down the sections I feel like are going to frizz up later, like this one right here. I can tell. I see it in your eyes. I see it in your face. Okay. Okay. This might just make, ooh. This might just make my cabinet. It's sulfate-free, paraben-free, no mineral oils, and no petroleum. It is enriched with shea butter and olive oil. The finished product, it's still kind of like, it's still wet. I'd say it's about 5% dry. And that's only like the top of my hair, which is very thirsty. If it gets frizzy, I'm probably just gonna slather it in coconut oil. I'm really trying to preserve the products and not put too much product on my hair. And I'm not doing anything for the rest of the day, so I'm gonna let it air dry. And see you guys when it's done. Hey guys, this is gonna be a really quick outro. My hair is about 80% dry, and this is the result. I know you saw the pictures. I'm officially in love. I love the product. I love the way it smells. It's not crunchy at all. It's very soft. And I'm about to put it in a pineapple and put it in my bonnet because I don't want to ruin anything. My ends, I started noticing that my ends were curling up more, and I was happy about that. But other than that, I'm just very satisfied with the product overall. I think it looks very touchable, very smooth, very natural. I think that this product works best depending on your hair type. I feel like if you have waves, it's gonna make the waves more defined, but it might make them crunchy. And I have like 3A, 3B hair right now because of the damage. And I feel like it works really well for that type of hair. Leave a comment below if you've tried this product, how it worked for you, and what you think hair type it works best on. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and I would say hit that notification bell so that you'll know when I post, but I don't even know when I'm gonna post, so I'm not gonna make you do that. Also, I had to change because Justin made burgers, and it was so juicy that it just like rushed all down my hand and onto my shirt. So there is that. Thank you guys so much. There will be more videos coming up soon. If you have any questions or like you want to do a Q&A, like my labor story and everything with Peyton, if you would like me to introduce him on this channel, leave those all in the comments down below. And I'm sorry for saying it, but thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned. I promise there's more videos coming. Bye, you guys. Thanks for watching.